you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1967 GTO Convertible. It's a true PHS documented GTO convertible, done in its factory tiger gold, black top, gold interior. Super nice car. Car was restored several years ago. A gentleman enjoyed it. All the shows, it's like the grills, all the grill chrome, headlight bezels, bumpers, all look like new. They're excellent condition. Car's real nice, flat down the sides. All the lower rocker trim is really nice. Not all dinged up or nothing. It's had a new top put on it, excellent condition. It's got the Rally 2s with the correct PMD caps and red dot lugs, red line tires. Just a super nice car. I drove this car about 70 miles home. Just purred right down the road. Traffic, open highway. The rear bumper's all been re-chromed. All the trim is real nice around the back of the car. It's got the dual mirrors. Got a nice 400 in it. Got the factory quadrajet 4-barrel carb and everything. It's got the lighting package with the hood light. It's all detailed really nice under the hood. It's got power brakes, power steering. They did an aluminum direct fit radiator, and then they had it anodized black so it looks factory, but better cooling. It's got the 400 turbo trans. See, all the jams look real nice. The interior's all really good condition. Got a little bit of wear on the driver's seat, I'll show you. It's got the factory tack and gauge package, deluxe steering wheel, AM, FM with reverb, and it actually all works. It's got all your front and rear seat belts in it. So a little bit of wear here on the edge of the seat. All inside the trunk's nice. You got the PHS documents, manufacturer and window sticker. Got a nice custom car cover it comes with it. It's got a parade boot for the top, factory jack spare. I tell you, it's just a cool GTO here. It's got the his and her shifter in it. Nice option. It's got factory cast iron exhaust manifolds. It's actually a header and dual exhaust out the back. Works perfect. Backup lights, everything works. Nice dual exhaust. Hey, that's a sweet looking GTO. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. And that car's just got the right stance. It's just great cruiser, great driver. Have a great day, folks.